interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, as this pertains to an ongoing global crisis. Many reports have been received of gold spreading across the entire world. Many major cities across the world have been seen turning into gold. Many buildings, cars, truck, animals, plants, and human have all turned into gold across the entire planet. It is believed that gold will spread across the entire world in the next 6 hours. All residents in the United States and the rest of the world listening to this message, gather all of your family members, friends, pets, and await the final hours of life on earth. If you are part of a religion, pray to your God or goddess. Ask for forgiveness. The president, along with several world leaders, have been turned into gold. I have selected a verse from the Bible to be played on the air. Psalm 39, 8-10. Save me from all of my transgressions. Do not make me the scorn of fools. I was silent. I would not open my mouth, for you are the one who has done this. Remove your scourge from me. I am overcome by the blow of your hand. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with one last playing of the national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude this final message. God bless you all. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.